close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hai, ketemu lagi dengan Kasianto Channel. Kali ini kita ada di Taman Pringgodani, Kecamatan Dongko, Kabupaten Trenggalek. Taman yang lagi ngehit, yang kemarin buat syuting jejak petualangan di Trans TV. Trans 7, sorry. Oke. Oke, jangan lupa kalau kesini mampir ya, dan jangan sampai tinggalkan sampah karena di sini sudah disediakan tempat sampah di setiap sudut-sudutnya. Nah, itu biar tetap bersih dan tetap indah. Kita lanjut perjalanan. Terus pantengi Kasianto Channel. Kita akan berwisata di Kabupaten Trenggalek. Oke.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Halo guys, kali ini kita ada di Taman Pringgodani, Kecamatan Dongko. Buat kalian yang mungkin main ke Trenggalek, tidak ada salahnya untuk mampir ke taman ini karena untuk pemandangannya juga cukup bagus lah.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again.
Oke teman, saatnya kita pulang karena waktunya ya sudah cukup sore dan di sini mulai berkabut. Kayaknya akan turun hujan. Oke.
Terima kasih sudah melihat video kami. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan berkomentar. Ikuti terus perjalanan kami untuk TRUTUSAN Trenggalek.